We're waiting for your
I suppose,
slides.
yeah, you should see them already. Yes.
Okay. Yes, we can. I'm
Uh,
starting the clock. You've got 3 minutes for your pitch. Good luck.
Great, thank you. So, hello, I'm Sebastian. I'm the founder and the CEO of TakeTask. I'm a serial entrepreneur with over 20 years. I have been running a market research agency, helping different corporations, mostly retailers and producers, audit execution of their tasks in the field. Marek joined me with his 14-year experience as a founder and a CTO in telecommunication startups as well as software houses. The problem we decided to address is a lack of good execution and quality assurance systems, specifically for remote workers. TakeTask solves this problem by using photo and video recording, GPS and timestamp, as well as AI verification. We delivered the highest quality of execution and task monitoring. Um, we are a scalable no-code platform that allows remote monitoring, reporting, and management of business tasks on large scale for complex operations involving deskless workers, for example, on the shop floor, in a factory, or in a field in any industry. Here are some examples of Take This at Work. Retailers use it to check promotional displays or monitor food safety standards. And for all tasks, employees receive a quick and clear feedback from managers, wherever they may be. It is also used in other ways. For example, our global client Shell uses our AI to track competitor prices in real time. And the Polish government is even using our product to monitor mandatory COVID home quarantine. The business model is very simple. We make money by charging a monthly fee based on the number of users and the chosen plan, plus Azure cloud cost. The implementation time can be just 2 days. The system is sold in a white label model at this moment. Uh, we first validated our direct approach in Poland, and now we started to scale internationally with first clients in other countries. We have also an indirect sales channel via multiple partners like consultancies, telecoms, IT integrators, and these channels allow us to explore new industries and new geographies. Our total revenue in 2020 was almost 1.2 million euros. This year we reached 1.2 million in August. We got two significant contracts from the government, this light green color, but public sector is not our target sales segment. Enterprise clients are. Regarding the market, collaboration software market is expected to grow from 9 to 30 billion in the following years. And our competitors fall into three categories. We simply take the best of them. So we combine flexibility and scalability together with a multi-industry approach. In the last years, we concentrated on product development. 70% of our team are IT developers. Now we are ready to, scale internationally, but rapid expansion requires additional funds. We had a pre-A round in Q1 this year, but did not close it in full. That is why we will launch our pre-Series A after we reach 80K MRR. What do we expect to happen in mid-2020? And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sebastian. And now let's move on to the questions. Who'd like to start? Again, we have this situation.
I know
okay.
I have the privilege of knowing this company. I've interacted with Sebastian previously, so I'm leaving the floor to my colleagues.
Yeah, I also had this privilege to talk with Thomas something like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So Thomas is also up to date.
Yes, but our audience would love to find out a bit more as well.
Yes, I know it.
Yeah, I don't exactly have a question either. I'm pretty impressed, Sebastian. I probably would like to just dive deeper into that competitive slide. As you say, you combine all three that are out there and know a bit more about this strategy to go in towards big enterprise. If you could maybe just spend a bit more time talking.
So on the one hand, you have those no-code platforms, and we are no-code platform, so it's very flexible. So you can design your own processes. And big corporations, they do not want to band to processes that are designed in the app. On the other hand, you have those full SaaS applications where are very fast to implement, and it takes only 2 days to implement TakeTask. And we are actually also planning to go full SaaS after fundraising. And the third category are enterprise software. So these are companies that have more emphasis on data protection. So and this is important because we have private cloud for every of our clients. So you have a white label application on your private cloud, all the GDPR is ruled. That's why we were able to launch this COVID quarantine monitoring application where we have now 9 million user accounts in just 2 days. And we're doing hundreds of thousands of tasks per day. But a regular client makes like 100,000 tasks monthly, with hundreds of users.
Cool, thank you.
You're welcome.
Cool. Sebastian, you've got about 30 seconds till the end. Would you like to add something for our audience?
Honestly, I think it's not enough to express everything about TakeTask. It's really an interesting startup, but I'll be happy to answer the questions in the chat. I will go into Hopin and be able to answer the questions.
All right. Thank you, Sebastian. Then.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
At the same time, I would like to